If you find this reading, let's see, these are the exact same message your person, your specific person want to confess to you at this moment. If you are in no contact situation with that person, then definitely this reading will resonate with you. Now I realize your love for me was unconditional. So basically your person, your specific person realize you love him or her unconditionally. Okay, I promise I call you tonight, please believe. So there is a possibility after you watching this, if you are in no contact situation, your person can contact you, call you or text you basically. There is a possibilities. I can't pretend anymore. I want you. Yes, I love you. Yes, this person want to confess the love wholeheartedly. Okay, they want to basically, want to confess their love. Don't try to hide anything. Okay, because for a very long time try to pretend, try to hide their emotion, but now they want to confess the love. Okay, if you want to book your personal reading, customized ritual, subliminal affirmation, love spell, astrological consultation, tarot card consultation, you can contact me through my email ID manifestyourdream091@gmail.com for more details. Check the description box. I am trying to convince my family for our relationship. So if you are facing commitment related issues or family agreement issues, then this person try their level best basically to convince their family. Okay. Um, I came to know that you are the one and only person I can trust. Yes. Yes. You are my true love. Remember, this is the romance of a lifetime. I realize what is love after meeting you. Definitely, it's a soul connection. It's a spiritual bond you both share with each other. Every emotion I feel starts with you. You create the spark in my heart. Oh, I know our separation is temporary. I'm still working out for this relationship. Give me some time. So basically, this relationship is destined. This person also realized the same, and this separation is temporary. Okay, this relationship has a destiny. This relationship has a future together basically. So yes, give some time to this person and to this relationship. Definitely it will work out for you. Let's see with a tarot here. Thank you. Wow, definitely this person is thinking about a committed relationship. This person is serious about you, and yes, I can see in future there is a commitment possibilities in this relationship. Okay, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, um, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn could be your or this person's sun, moon, rising sign. Okay. Basically, I am getting with this three card combination. It's a commitment. It's a marriage. Okay. This person want to marry you because King of Pentacles in love reading. It's a committed energy. So this person want a committed relationship, want to marry you basically, and two king cards, it's a powerful combination, like your divine masculine, your partner, the masculine energy basically. Okay, it's okay. Let me clear one thing. So basically, those readings are not for only females. Okay, if I am telling about any feminine energy, so it's energy, not any kind of male or female. Okay, it's for male and female both. Basically, it's I'm telling about the energy, masculine energy and feminine energy. Okay, so you know both male and female has masculine and feminine energy both. So here I'm telling about energies. Okay, so these readings are for male and females both. Okay, don't worry. And yes, so basically with the Six of Wands card also I'm getting some marriage processions and marriage, like groom is coming or bride is coming. So basically yes, um I'm getting this person want to marry you. This person is thinking about a future with you. Okay. One last card. Yes, very possibilities. A very good chance of a new beginning in this relationship. Wow, bottom of the deck also. So definitely there is a huge possibilities of a new beginning in this relationship, and this relationship is a destined. Okay. So congratulations and claim this reading.